Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Godaddy domain to Namecheap. Let's get started. First, go to Namecheap and log in your account. In here on the left panel, click on Domain List. Then in this next page, click on Transfer to Us from the navigation menu. Then click on Transfer Domains from the drop-down menu. Next, go to Godaddy and log in your account. In here, copy the domain name you want to transfer to Namecheap. Next, go back to Namecheap and paste your copied domain name in this field, then click on Transfer right here. In this next page, make sure that this box is checked. After that, go back to Godaddy again and look for the Transfer section. In here, make sure that the toggle for domain lock is turned off. Next, click on Transfer to another registrar right here. Then in this new page, just click on Continue down here. In this next page, click on this See Authorization Code option right here. Godaddy will provide a code for you, which you will copy. Next, go back to Namecheap, paste your code in this field, then click on Verify Auth Code right here. Once the code has been verified, click on Add to Cart down here and pay the amount needed to buy this domain. And that is how you can transfer your Godaddy domain to Namecheap. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.